This is Vance and Gayle from Ellington, Connecticut, and we're going to show you our new screened-in porch. We used a terrific product from Connecticut Screenworks called SNAPP Screen. The frame of the porch itself are pressure-treated 4x4s painted white. And as you can see on the front of the porch, they're floor-to-ceiling screens. My wife and I are 60, and the project was quite easy for both of us to complete. It took about only a day and a half to do start to finish. And we're going to walk inside and show you the inside of the porch. The porch itself is 12 feet wide by 25 feet long. Here's one end. You can see the odd shapes up at the top, but they were still easy to install. The right hand corner has a sunshade, so it's a little bit darker. Here's the other side of the porch. It's a little bit narrower with some chairs set up to look out in the backyard. Again, product was just terrific to work with, easy to use, easy to install. The online videos were very helpful. All delivery, parts, everything came quite quickly for us. And again, the project only took about a day and a half.